Good afternoon, everyone. So I am the third reporter of this group, which is Group 1, and I am Gwendel Deredera, and my topic is all about importance of marketing. So marketing is a crucial function that aids the sale of goods and services and eventually the achievement of profit. So the importance of marketing is in the definition of the needs and wants of customers and people. Those needs are wants to buy goods and services. So marketing is very important in business because it's connect a company to its customers. So it is not just only selling product, but also understanding what people need and want. So and deliver products or services that satisfy customers, which leads to higher sales, loyalty, and profit. So since it has a significant impact on an organization's success, marketing is a crucial component of business. So marketing has a significant influence on production and distribution. So the following was determined how marketing and its corresponding activities are important to an enterprise. So marketing also helps a business build its identity and stand out from competitors and create lasting relationship with customers. Without marketing, even the best products may unnoticed. Unnoticed ka na, kung dili kita siya ma-ilan, bitaw, dili siya let's proceed to, there are five following us determine how marketing and its corresponding activities are important to enterprise. So first is it creates a way for the consumers to educated. So consumer education can be accomplished in part through marketing. Customers will then have a rudimentary understanding of what your product is all about. Be aware of the advantages of purchasing your goods. So it means that marketing informs customers about products or services. So their features and benefits, it helps them to understand how a product can solve their problems or improve their lives. So just like for example, I have a skincare company. So when uses just like for example, I have a skincare company. So I get a social media ads to explain how their product prevents acne. So customers learn not only about the product but also about proper skin routines. And let's proceed to number 2, which is the marketing produces opportunities for revenue. So many commercial companies find that marketing aids in developing revenue streams. It occurs when various marketing techniques are used by various business sectors to boost revenue. So reducing the price of goods is one technique to boost profit. So reducing the price of the goods will attract more potential customers. So number two, it means that number two is, it means that effective marketing attracts more buyers, which is increase sales and creates new income streams for a business. So just like for example, naagoy fast food chain and nag-launch ko, nag-promote daw by one take one, and then the lower price attracts more to the customers and leading to higher overall sales and auto dali sa mahalin. So next, number three. So it allows the business to set better goals. So the goals and objectives of firm determine its success through marketing. A company can achieve its objectives. So the brand will be better well known as a result of employing specific marketing techniques and encouraging the business to protect its reputation. So number four, it means that through consistent and quality marketing, a business establishes trust and credibility with customers. So a good reputation encourages loyalty and positive word of mouth. So just like for example, so after studying customers' demand, a clothing brand set a goal to launch an eco-friendly line within 1 year to match the market interest in sustainable fashion. So let's proceed to the fourth. It builds a better brand reputation. So building a reputation for brand is another advantage of using marketing methods. So, however, it's crucial to make sure you are providing your target market with products of exceptional quality and value. So as a result, you will develop a reliable reputation for both the brand and product. So, kung example so it means that marketing researchers, business understand their target or audience enough to make better decisions about the purpose that tackled about last time, the product, price, place, and promotion. So just like for example, before launching a new flavor, so just like for example, naagoy kami ang business na may milk tea. So, nagkuhan ko ganing bagong product na nakuha pa. Magkanda kong survey aron mapilian nila kung sa'yo mas lami o kung maaman na mas lami, mauntoy na rin siya mahalin sa mga customers. And then, additionally, marketing is important because it educates consumers, increase sales opportunity, and helps businesses set and achieve their goals in our businesses.